Hello, my name is Abhishek and I'm here to show you how to create a Node.js project. So before starting the Node.js project, you must have to know this basic JavaScript concept which I have listed here, and also I will comment it down on the comment section. And also in your system there is a node, there is npm package, and node package is installed, so you must have to install this. And for the code I am using VS Code. So let's get start to creating our first Node.js project. So first of all, we have to name the project. That can be anything based on the project. I'm creating a tutorial video, so so as you can see here, node tutorial 1 folder is created. Now we have to go into it. So before starting the project, what you should have to do, first do npm init. So it will ask you several questions. What will be your package name, version, description, and the entry point. By default it is index.js, so we have to write server.js, this command, and remain everything, just do enter. Okay, so uh, when we do npm init here, it creates a package.json file for us. Okay, so let's look what is in package.json file. So as we have there are some defaults in package.json. Let's create our server.js file, and let's get start to create project. Okay, so first of all we are using Express framework, so we have to require it. um, so that's how you can define the port name. Request response. Let's do a simple console here, hello world. That's it. Let's test that it is working or not. So for that, what you have to write, node and the name of the file. So here in this case it's a server.js file. So as you can see, it gives one error, cannot find module. So for that we have to install it, express install. So npm is providing us some packages which we have to use in our node project. So it is now let's test it again. So as you can see, server is listening at 3000. So let's check it in a Postman that it actually works or not. So the Postman is used for uh, routes to check. Okay. So when you start Postman, you will see this new request. So as you can see here, our we are not using uh, serv- uh, any server, so we will use just a local host. It's 5000. So let's see what it will give. So as you can see, the hello world is printed here. If we want it in a browser, we can also do this. This is my first. And now we will restart the server and let's check here. So it give the message here. So that's how this run. So this is a very basic Node.js project. In the next lecture, we will learn how to uh, do routing and controller in this project. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up.